Okay, here is the little vacuum cleaner right there. And these are all the attachments that come with it. Right here, and you get an extra filter, and you get a C-cord. So these are all your extra attachments. 1, 2, 3. Or right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have the extra filter 5, and you have this the C-cord USB cord there for charging. And we're going to test this little thing right now. And out of the box, it took about an hour for it to get fully charged out of the box. So let's see how we do here. We got some stuff on the floor. We're going to try to pick it up. And we just press it and hold. And now there's only one speed here, and that's high. Yeah, so I think this would be okay for the car. That's what I'm thinking. But yeah, let's see here. Now, I'll turn it off if I can get my finger on it. Okay, there we got that. Now, we can also do this. Attach it on the back. Okay, make sure it's on there. Now, you have a blower or adjuster. Like that. And it will blow out the dust in little places. But yeah, that's that. That's the little cleaner there, the little handheld. There's also a little blower. These little attachments that you get. And yeah, look at the sign. See what little dirt it picked up. I guess it did okay. Yeah, it's alright. I like the fact that it's got a blower at the other end. But there you go. Yeah, it's okay. Not the greatest, but not the worst either. But it's okay.